Maddie Kulik here of Madeline Intimates. If you're not familiar with Madeline, we are a Philadelphia-based lingerie company specializing in bra making workshops, DIY kits, as well as custom lingerie. I am also a Pfaff brand ambassador, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Creative Icon 2. Now this is their top of the line machine. And I thought when the Creative Icon came out that they couldn't top it. This definitely tops it. And at the time of this recording, there were only 275 models and 3 different styles available. Yeah. So it's definitely an awesome machine. So I'm gonna be opening up the boxes, showing you what comes inside of it. I want to do some follow-up videos with some of the key features of it. Some of them are AI intelligence. Another one is speech recognition. So it allows for a lot of hands-free sewing that you can talk into the machine and it will understand you and do the operations. It also has a projector. Super cool. Super cool. Did I say super enough? So it will highlight your sewing paths with grids and guides so that you can see your stitches and embroideries before you start sewing. Super cool, right? And then another feature is that it has a camera. So you can take a picture of your hooped area and then upload that as your background in embroidery mode. So this machine has like so much going on, so many awesome features that I hope to do in some follow-up videos. But today, we're just gonna be opening up the boxes and showing you what comes inside. It's like Christmas, so I'm super excited. So let's get started. I'm gonna open up the embroidery unit first, and yeah. Okay, so here is the embroidery case, or the embroidery arm or unit, the case to it, and let's open it up and see what comes inside. So in the first compartment, you have your 360 by 260 hoop. Some styrofoam. Ooh, made it. And then your embroidery arm. Let me take this out so it doesn't fall. All right, so here is the embroidery arm or the unit. And it has this like charcoal gray, this is the arm. So it has, this is embroidery unit, has a charcoal gray embroidery arm. And then below it are 2 different hoops. It has the 120 by 120, and then it has, which it doesn't want to come out. And then it has a 260 by 200 hoop. Okay, let's get to the main event, the sewing machine. Okay, so on top is the soft cover for it that you can use to put over when you're not using it. Then you have your instructional manual, all your accessories, your presser foot, your power cord. I'm going to lift all of this up. Alrighty, here we go. This is not the lightest machine ever. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay, so here is the Creative Icon 2 all unpacked. I took off all the tape, all the styrofoam, all that jazz. One thing that you cannot miss, and is a really nice feature of this machine, is that it has fabric on the face, which I've never seen before. But it gives a really nice soft texture to it, to an otherwise hard, all these hard surfaces. It also has a lot of metal detailing on it. So the Pfaff logo is metal, it has a metal ruler, the hand wheel has metal edges, so it's really nice. And I'm sure that when I turn it on, just like Pfaff's other machines, it's gonna have really bright sewing area. So that's the unboxing. Again, I hope to do some follow-up videos highlighting some of those key features of the Creative Icon, so stay tuned for that.